Today I will show you how to improve basic SEO in your Shopify store. This helps your store appear on Google and get free traffic. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to the Sidekick, then ask how to improve SEO in our store. Click on enter. So now it is processing. So here we can see it is give step by step by optimize title, tags, meta description, image, URL, etc. keywords. So that we have to start. So first go to the products, then click on any product. There click t-shirt. So here we can ask to change the description. Click on enter. So it has been changed. Now we can go to the SEO section. Here click on edit. We can ask to change the SEO. Click on enter. Now it is processing. So it has been changed. Now we can go to the image. Click on image. Here we can add the alt text. We can type black t-shirt. Then image always upload in JPG and logo in PNG. So we can resize it. I resize it to okay. Now it is more visible. Then click on the save. So it has been updated. Then go to the home page. So next we can organize store structure. So go to the content, then click on menus. Here menu already set. So by this the easy navigation improve SEO. So now we can check homepage SEO. So that go to the online store, click on preference. Here we can add homepage title and meta description. Here it already added. We can also upload the image. If we can change the password or we can remove it. Homepage is most important for SEO. So to add more content, keep updating product and description repeatedly. So fresh content improve ranking. So SEO means helping Google understand your store. This is how you can improve SEO in Shopify using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.